Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 23rd. Today we are going to switch gears a little bit. I know that long division yesterday may have been a little challenging, so we're going to switch gears and move on to fractions. Now, we have talked about this equivalent fractions in class before. Remember that the word equivalent means equal. So we're going to make equal fractions today. So let's go ahead and look at this first part of your worksheet. Today you're going to complete pages 15 and 16 of your math work packet. Part 1 says, shade the models to find equivalent fractions. So here we have the fraction 2/3. We have our numerator, which is the number that is shaded. So 1, 2. We also have our denominator, and that is the total number of pieces. 1, 2, 3. So for the fraction 2/3, you have 3 total pieces, 2 of them are shaded. And what you're going to do is use this next picture to make an equivalent or equal fraction. So what you need to do is shade the exact amount that's shaded here on this picture. So I'm going to go ahead and start shading and just see what I come up with. Does that look the same? Nope. Does that look the same? Nope. Getting closer. Ooh, that's the same. The same exact amount is shaded. But now I have to think. Here, I have 6 total pieces, and I know that you can't see, so let me erase just for a moment. I had this piece shaded, this piece shaded, this piece, and this piece shaded. There are 6 total pieces, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. Okay, but it's wanting us to find the number of shaded pieces. So I did shade 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 out of those 6 pieces are shaded. So 2/3 and 4/6 are equivalent fractions. Let's move on to part 2. It says write the fraction that names the shaded part of each circle. Oh, okay. So we're going to be practicing just writing fractions. So remember that the numerator, or the top number, are the total number of pieces shaded. The denominator, or the bottom number, are the total number of pieces that you have altogether. So let's look at this fraction. I have 4 pieces total. And 1, 2, 3 pieces are shaded. So that fraction would be 3/4. This circle, I have 3 total pieces. 2 of them are shaded. You can go ahead and complete the rest. Part 3 is going to be more of a challenge. You do not have to do part 3 if you don't want to. If you'd like to challenge yourself, however, feel free to complete that problem. On page number 16, it's going to be a little bit different. You're not going to complete all of these problems. Okay, you are going to complete letters A, C, E, F, H, I, J, L, N, and that's it. Okay, so only complete those circled problems. So for these, you're still going to make equivalent fractions, but you're going to do it in a little different way. So for the first 3 problems, or the 2 problems on the top, you have a picture to help you. So you could still, 3/4 is here. You have 3 pieces shaded out of 4. And here it has the exact amount shaded for you, but this time you have 8 total pieces. How many pieces are shaded now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3/4 and 6/8 are equivalent fractions. However, let's go down and look at letter F. I don't have a picture this time. What am I supposed to do? I'm going to look at the bottom 2 numbers, the numbers in the denominator. You're going to ask yourself, 6 times what number equals 12? If you have to use your multiplication table, go ahead and do so. You will find out that 6 times 2 equals 12. If you multiply by 2 on the bottom, you have to multiply by 2 on the top so that they're equal. What is 1 times 2? Any number times 1 is itself. 1 times 2 is 2. So if I erase all of this, and that dot won't go away, 1/6 is equal to 2/12. So I'll do one more problem. Let's go ahead and do letter E. 1/3 is equal to how many sixths? Again, I'll ask myself, 3 times what number equals 6? 3 times 2 equals 6. Since I multiplied by 2 on the bottom, I have to multiply by 2 on the top. We already know that 1 times 2 is 2. So 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Now I have done 3 of the problems for you, so that means you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems to try on your own. If you have any questions, please let me know.